What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an account on Lovable AI. Now when you hear about Lovable AI, it is same as a Lovable.dev. So all you have to do is just simply open up your browser and type in Lovable AI or Lovable.dev, whichever one you want to type, and you should find the official website. So you will see it says Lovable. Go ahead and head over to the official website there, and once you're here guys, you will see what it is. It says build something lovable, create apps and website by chatting with AI. How amazing is that? This is a phenomenal website, and if you scroll down on this website you can see quite a lot of amazing things where people have been using this to create, and you have a lot of previews website that you can see here from here. So in order to create an account, all you have to do is simply click get started in the upper right hand side. Here you can quickly connect with your GitHub account, or you can continue with your Google account, or simply register with your own other email address and password here. So I'm going to use a Gmail account here, so I'm going to continue with Google. Then from here I'm going to continue by selecting my Gmail account and continue from here, and it's going to allow me to quickly create an account. Right from here it says where did you hear about us. I'm gonna simply choose options, so let's say YouTube. What will you use Lovable for? I will just say maybe for my personal project. What describes you best? I'm gonna say content creator as an example. And here it says what are you building with. I'm gonna just choose an option, website, landing pages. Right, so from here guys, you'll see that it basically says successful, and if you look, I'm already in my account. And if you look to the upper right hand side, you can see where it says Drew. So I'm currently in my account, and you can scroll down and you can see quite a lot. You can create a new project, you can do so much here with this amazing website. And I want to recommend to you that you sign up an account and come in and start exploring. It's a phenomenal website guys. And that's it. That's how you can easily go ahead and create an account. If you want to go into your account details or your account settings, you have your profile on the upper right hand side. You can simply go ahead and click on it, and you have all the options here that you can see here. Very easy and very simple guys.